Ano yung kala nyo sa akin? Mag-i-emo? No way! What's the worst that I can say? Was it never if I stay so long and good night? So long and good night. I am an emo boy. Yeah, boy. Siyempre, emo boy needs a emo girl. Parang nasa watchlist ako ah. Okay. Only night, the magic moment, the love, what a wedding Arian, naalala mo dati, nung tatambay tayo sa plaza, yung ganito yung outfit natin. This is goodbye! I'm here for you. Please don't walk away. Please tell me you stay. You can hear, and it's a nice with the symptoms of sorrow and dread. Again and again, I love. Dito emo eh. Parang ano to eh. Di ka eh. Di ka na di ka. Nasisira yung emo hair ko. Nasisira eh. Okay na? Yeah.